Hello, it's Don again, and I promise this will be my last video. I don't want to be that spammer guy. Anyhow, here's my last tip and trick. I think it will help you out a lot. So, especially if you combine it with the last tricks that I told you about. And anyhow, I took your address here and your phone number. I mentioned about citations before, right? So, this yex.com. It's about $350 a month for anybody to use per year, that is. So anyhow, I put your name, address in here, phone number, and then ran the scan. I got it up already here. So Google, you're on Facebook, obviously, and then you're on MapQuest, and Foursquare is a good one to be on. But anyhow, it would take forever for a person to just go and sign up to Yahoo. That one's kind of complicated to get on Yahoo now. Bing is another powerful search engine that Microsoft owns. Yelp, that would be good to be. I'm kind of like Yelp, but I'm a whole lot better than Yelp uh, for a lot of reasons. But I would still get on them, and Yext would get you a free listing on there. So anyhow, if you hired me, I would do like over 300 citations here. I think this one's only 100, and that would probably be enough. I have a business account with Yext, and I get it for a fraction of the cost. I'd give it to you for free. But anyhow, it's $350 a month or a year. Is the last time I checked, anyways. So, but anyhow, what that would do for your business. So, say I did massage in Kenosha, and you got this map box or map pack, a lot of people call it. It should get you up in the hair. So these people, I've checked on them. They really only have like 20, 30 citations. If you bought the 100 package, or it would probably get you into this top 3, and then that would get you on this map. And so hope that helps. Just some ideas if you got any questions. And again, there's nobody like what I do with the money back guarantee. A lot of people think what I do is not guaranteed, but I have the guarantee. So, but again, this is my last little video to you, and I hope all these tips and tricks help you, and I'm here for you anytime you need me, and I'll probably still come in to get a massage someday. So have a good day, and thanks for watching all my little video clips.